Hello from Alston in Cumbria.
Yes.
Just in Cumbria.
North Pennines.
I think it's just in Cumbria, isn't it?
Possibly, yeah.
We did pass a Cumbria sign on the way here.
Covered in snow.
The snow. Yeah, I put it on the video. We're staying in a nice little cottage because we've both had birthdays in the last couple of weeks, so it's a little treat to ourselves. We're kind of hovering around waiting for the rain to stop, aren't we?
Yeah, but it's not going to, is it?
No, so I think we're just going to have to brave it. But we've got a walk planned. The
South Tyne Valley.
South Tyne Valley and South Tyne Railways here, isn't it? What is it? What kind of train?
It's narrow gauge. Narrow gauge railway, yes. South Tynedale Railway.
Yeah. So that's the plan today. We've got a nice tea planned in this nice cosy cottage with this really lovely fire, which we had lit last night.
Rocking outside.
Ah, there's birdies in the garden. Eric's ready and raring to go. Have you got your Bridgedale socks on?
Yes.
We've got matchy Bridgedale socks, apart from mine are half the size of Neil's. These are 12 and I'm a 6. But yeah, that's the plan. So we'll take you along on that. We've got the book ready and the GPS.
The GPS
is going to have a little trial run today.
Although it's still at home. There's no satellites up here though.
Oh well, sure we'll get sorted. But fingers crossed the rain will stop. Took a bit of bacon yesterday, so I've got some cinnamon buns to take with us. It's a good job because we've ate all the jammy dodgers. It's a little village we're staying in. It was lovely but very bad to park in. There's 2 little dogs coming up the road. Off we go into the village of Alston in the rain. It didn't stop. Cute little gift shops. Nice little village. Quite hilly. Really cute old cottages. 1681. It just blows my mind when there's like things that old. Hadrian's Wall's the one that really gets me. See, tiny little bit of blue sky of hope up there. Ooh, that's for sale over there. Ooh, a basket shop. The signs. So we're on the borders of probably County Durham and Northumberland, I think, aren't we? Borders of County Durham and Northumberland. A bit in the middle of everywhere. Middle of the country, up north. Neil's found a car.
Classic.
Is it a stag?
No, it's a Rover piece.
A Rover.
I used to have one broken.
Walking out of the village now, I think, aren't we?
We are.
Near a river.
We're heading southwest. According to the GPS.
Oh yeah, across the bridge.
Yeah.
Here's the bridge. There's a nice path along the river there. I think I'd come here again just for a nice relaxing little weekend with like local dog walks. Well, this is a local one. We've gone off the doorstep. river's full. Looking through the railings. A nice place to live. Assuming that it wouldn't flood, the wall's high. This walk's on the list as well, isn't it?
It is.
Got some big ones planned for next year. Hopefully in nicer weather. Imagine the Hadrian's Wall walk in this weather every single day. It'd be a bit soul destroying, wouldn't it?
It would have been. Like 3 feet.
So we're doing a bit the Pennine Way, I think. Squelching our way along this path. Heading out into the sticks now. Pennine Way. View of Alston, and they've got a hot tub in the garden with that nice view. I'd like a house like that. You, Eric? Not listening? Found our mud. Likes the sound of water. Neil said we walk through some ornate gateposts, so I'm excited now. Looking at some ornate gateposts. That better not be them, that's disappointing if it is. The ornate gateposts.
That'd be them.
They're not that ornate, but they're not too disappointing, so I'd probably say a 6 out of 10. I don't know actually, the closer I'm getting they look a bit old and weathered, quite like that. Just go take a picture. That shuts. Old autumn leaves and nice row of trees. Got a pretty walk so far, even though it's throwing it down. Being watched.
Go through a gate and beyond and turn right.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Stay there. I like you from afar. More rows of trees. Nice. Shelter from the rain as well.
We're finding a mile and a half.
Be a nice house when it's done.
Stippling grassy path now rises beyond the wall on your left.
The little things you've got to watch, because my leg disappeared in one in the Lake District. It was really well hidden, and I stood in it and I went right up to my hip and my other leg bent underneath me. It was not very nice. What a delightful day. Tipping down. I'm going back. Oh look, a rainbow.
Oh yeah. Trying to put a goal.
It's just sideways rain, knee deep bogs, the map's dissolving. I've got a headache.
I've got no motivation.
Just generally can't be asked to do it in this weather, so
Yep.
maybe we'll come back.
We'll come back.
Full rainbow. Eric's not enjoying himself. He doesn't like the mud or wet. Deep clean. Bloody awful. Get back. Get the fire lit.
Yes.
I would say have a hot shower, but the shower's not very good, so I don't think I'll bother. Just get the fire on and dry off. Just the loveliest weather. Poor little Eric. The sun's trying to shine somewhere, but it's just not stopping raining. And we're just, Neil was just saying, we're just going higher and higher up on the Pennine Way, so it'll probably get worse over there because it's literally black and thick fog over there.
It's foggy over there, isn't it?
Yeah. Might be nicer where we're staying. A little wander around the village later if it's nice. The rainbow's really strong now, and we've just bent over in the field to make it look like a rainbow's coming out of our bum. And we're loving this. Got some good pictures here. Looks really spooky. I love that. Wonder if I can get some pictures in the rain puddle. It really is just absolutely horrible, but also not at the same time. Stopped raining down here, hasn't it? But it looks horrible behind where we were going to go. So we've admitted defeat. Still done a canny few miles. Hope we get 5 in by the time we get back. So just going back the way we came. I think we're just going to get dry and warm because we've done a walk in that weather before up Simon's side, didn't we?
Yes, we did.
And I ended up with flu because I got so wet and cold, and I didn't have time to get properly warm and dry after. So just heading back to the village with a bit of not rain. I could change it any second now. Walking away. Going this little path. Back in Alston now. Maybe have a little wander here, maybe not, we'll see how we feel. At least the rain stopped for now. Lovely village.
It is.
It'd be nicer if the sun was a bit more out. A bit more sun, a bit less rain, but can't have everything. Have a look at the railway line. We're not sure if there'd be anything on, but you never know. Might be. The winter timetable: trains closed, shop closed, the cafe's open, the blank bits, whatever that was, closed, and the heritage workshop closed. It's a shame. It would have been nice to see a train. There's all lights along here. We were just saying we should perhaps pop down later and have a little look. You okay? is one, isn't there? A famous one. Famous graveyard in Edinburgh. I think it does look like that. Village Square. It's raining again. We're going back to get dry and warm. Scruffy, scruffy, scruffy. We're all warm, dry and fed now. We've had a little afternoon nap, but we don't normally spend time in the places we like book out when we're going for a walk places, so it's quite nice just to relax in a cosy little cottage in the village. But we didn't say bye earlier because we were soaked.
Fed
up when we came in and just got sorted. So we'll say goodbye for now. I might have a little wander around the village later and maybe do a bit of filming, but I don't know if I can be bothered. Nice and relaxed in here. So thanks for watching, and if you like the video, please like and subscribe. Bye from Cumbria. Bye. Goodbye again from me and Eric for his last walkies of the evening. Had a lovely little day in Alston. Oh, it has stopped for a dump. So I'll say goodbye again. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please like and subscribe.